What's up, y'all? We're here in Covington, Georgia, aka Hazard County. Here at Scoops Ice Cream, Covington, Georgia. Hip hop's turning 50, so we're dropping a Dine Rhyme summertime style. Check it out. And today's artist, we got my man Clinch, representing Stone Mountain, Georgia. So you know how it goes. Let's get to the dining and let's get to the rhyming. Let's go. The ice cream was amazing, all the candy that you need, just like the old school. Now that we got our dine on, it's only right we put them rhymes on. Let's go.
The midnight
Cheap, but I'm gentle, fragmental, monumental, fight style, oriental. I get on instrumentals, no we don't do riddles. You diddle, you diddle. Yeah, my girl from the south, and baby you're from the middle. How shoes and some dickies, but I like a baguette. I'm spending money on dumb shit, as real as it gets. Aviator can fly a plane and land with a jet. Blue web, no dark web, we crashing the nest, so outstanding. Bro, you can't fit them in a box. Grew up off dog pound, but listen to the locks. While they was underestimating, I was on top. I was on the front porch straight, knocking like the cops. Open up, AP, so all I go was up. Twisting up my fingers just so they can know it's us. Hand on this burner just so they can know I bust. Looking at George for like that was one of us. What the fuck? You can still be dead wrong and live right.